Hello everyone, it's Olivia Stewart, and thanks for joining us on NNC, where the news is new, now, and current. We surveyed our viewers to see what they wanted to learn more about, which leads us to our top story, over the three transformations of heat transfer: radiation, conduction, and convection. I'll start with the most common of the three, conduction. Conduction is the transfer of heat through contact. When objects of different temperatures touch, the item's temperature is transferred, causing the lack of heat or the gaining of heat. An example, placing an ice cube in your hand or touching the eye of a stove. Radiation is energy that is indirect, which comes from a source and travels through some materials or through space. The energy travels through electromagnetic waves. Some examples are being warmed or tanned by the sun, while others are feeling the heat off a space heater or a fire. Last but not least, convection. Convection is the movement caused within a fluid by the tendency of hotter and less dense. The currents move around the substances. Warm air rises while the cool air sinks. Cool air is more dense, therefore it sinks. An example would be boiling water. The hot water in the pot is at the top while the cool water is at the bottom. Another example of convection is when the radiator puts out warm air at the top and draws in cool air at the bottom. Now that you know a little bit about each, let's go out on the streets to see what other people know. Okay, I'm here with Gabby on Mercer University campus. So, what do you think about radiation?
I think it's pretty interesting. I have pale skin, so the sun radiation, I know a lot about that. Tanning, not that I tan because I'm pale, but I know about that. Yeah. So it can also be dangerous. But
Yeah, it can. Thank you. I'm here with Raphael. And so, what are your thoughts about conduction?
Well, I think conduction is kind of interesting, but sometimes it bothers me because I'm carrying my hot pizza up the stairs, and by the time I get up to my room on the 4th floor, my pizza's not as hot as it was when I was holding it, and then my hands burn, like my hands are on fire. So
Yeah.
I think it's cool, but pizza, I like pizza.
I do too. I love pizza.